Dear students, in this video we will deal with the various branches of the zoology, what they are termed as, and in each branch what we study. First is acrology, in which we study about ticks and mites, that is a type of insects. Etiology, in which we study about the therapeutics, that is how the diseases are cured, that we study in etiology. Actinobiology, in which we study about the radiation and its effects on the organisms. Aerobiology, in which we study about the organisms which fly. Agrobiology, in which we study about the primitive man and their habits. Andrology, in which we study about male reproductive system. Angiology, in which we study about the arteries, veins, and the blood circulatory system studied is angiology. Anthropology, in which we study about the apes and humans and their natural history. We study about them in anthropology. Aphidology, in which we study about aphids. Apiculture, in which we study about honeybee. Aquaculture, in which we study about the aquatic organisms, you can say aquatic organisms, and even the fishes, different types of fishes, and the development of fishes, developing the culture of fishes and aquatic organisms. Araneology, in which we study about spiders. Arthology, in which we study about joints. Oxenology, in which we study about the mental status. Bacteriology, in which we study about bacteria. Bacteriology, in which we study about the frogs. Biochemistry, in which we study about the involvement of chemical reactions in living systems. Bromatology, in which we study about the nutrition and the food and the nutrition it provides us to us. Carcinology, study about the carcinology, in which we study about crustacea. Cardiology, in which we study about the heart. Chondrology, in which we study about the cartilage, a tissue. Chorology, in which we study about the geographical distribution of the organisms. Nidology, in which we study about cilian traits. Conchology, in which we study about molluscan shells. Coprology, in which we study about the waste product, that is facial matter. Craniology, in which we study about the brain box, that is skull. Cryology, in which we study about the minimum temperature at which the organisms can be preserved. Tetology, in which we study about the organisms and their acquired characteristics. Dermatology, in which we study about the skin and its derivatives. Desmology, in which we study about ligaments. Diastology, in which we study about rudimentary organs of the organisms. Next is ecobiology, in which we study about the life in space. Etiology, in which we study about the external reproductive organs. Endocrinology, in which we study about the endocrine system, that is hormones and endocrine glands. Entomology, study of insects. Ethology, the study of human race. Ethology, the study of the behavior of organisms. Eugenics is the study of heredity and hereditary principles and how it has led to the development of humans. Euphenics, that is medical engineering, how medical engineering is involved in improving or developing the human race. Euthenics is the study of educating and nourishing the human race. Forsenic medicine, that is medicinal study of the It is a study of medicines, you can say, Forsenic medicines. Gastroenterology, that is the study of intestine and the stomach. Genealogy, the study of again the hereditary and genetics. Gynecology, that is the study of Gynecology is the study of the genetics of a species. Gerontology is the study of जिसको आप हिंदी में वृद्धावस्था कहते हैं, that is old age, the study of old age in humans, related diseases. Study of tongue. Glossology, the study of bacterial-less life, is gerontobiology. Gynecology is the study of female reproductive organs. Germomorphism is the study of how the humans or organisms, how they appear more than their age, in a small age how they appear older. Hematology, the study of blood. Hepatology is the study of liver. Toxicology is the study of the effect of the environment on the development of the organism, study in hexicology. Study of amphibians we study in herpetology. Study of the tracks on burrows made by the fossils of the organisms we study in kineology. Next is histology, in which we study about the fishes. Immunology, in which we study about the immunity, how can we develop immunity from various diseases. Calology, study of human beauty. Karyology, study of chromosomes and nucleus. Kinesiology, study of the speed of muscles. Limnology, study of the pandemic diseases. Limnology is the study of inland water structural and functional relationship between the organisms of inland waters. Study of molluscans we study in malacology. Mammals in mammalogy, and melanin pigment and other pigments in melanology. Study of microorganisms in microbiology. Study of mussels in myology. Study of ants in myrmecology. Study of nematodes we do in nematology. Study of the very young babies or newborn babies in nepiology. Then we study about the modern organisms in neontology. Nephrology is the study of kidneys and nephrons. Neonatology is the study of the newborn babies up to 2 months. Neurology, that is study of nervous system. Nidology, in which we study about birds and the nest of the birds. We study nudology. Nosology, in which we study about the nose and nosology is the study of the classification of the diseases. Odontology is odontology, in which we study about dragonfly and damselfly. Odontology, in which we study about the gums and tooth. Oncology, study of tumors, and odology is the study of the eggs of various birds. Ophiology is study of snakes. Study of eyes and their diseases is ophthalmology. Ornithology is the study of birds. Study of the serum of blood in orhology, in which we study. Osteology is the study of bones. Otology is the study of ear and the apparatus involved in it. Study of paleontology is the study of fossils. Parasitology is the study of parasites. Parazoology is the study of sponges. Study of medicines and their effects on organisms. Pharmacology. Phenology is the study of migration of the birds. Pisciculture, that is how we can develop the fishes in ponds and various water bodies. Saurology, study of lizards. Sericulture, study of the development and nurturing the caterpillar, and how can we develop can produce silk from it. Splantology is the study of the visceral organs, internal organs of the organisms. Syndromology is the study of ligaments and the tissues which joins the bones, various bones. Next is environmental organisms and their groups are studied in syncology. Taxidermatology, in which we study about human skin and their stuffings. Teratology, study of abnormalities in various organisms, plants and animals both. Tocology, child delivery, that is parturition study. Toxicology, that is the study of harmful drugs and medicines and their effects on the organisms. Traumatology, that is a study of wounds or injured tissues in our body. Trichology is the study of hairs. Urology is the study of urine system and its related diseases. Venerology is the study of venereal diseases, and study of viruses in virology, and study of handicapped organisms in zoology, study of drifting organisms in zoophytology, and zymology is the study of fermentation. So these are the various branches of the biology in which we study different aspects of the organisms.